Welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. In this practical video, I will show you 5 big mistakes in the construction of plinth beam which is designed for 4-story commercial building. So let me guide you for those mistakes. If you see guys, the span between two columns is here 22 feet. They used here in this plinth beam 2 steel rods at the bottom, 2 in upper portion. Total we have 4 numbers of steel rods. Dia is 12 millimeter. So this is one of the big mistake because they did a wrong design for this plinth beam. That's why, because of they didn't follow the steel structural drawing and they don't have. Therefore, if you see, they used 4 numbers of steel rods for 4-story commercial building. And the size is 9 by 12 inches. If you see guys, the spacing of this stirrup is more than 14 inches. Look here. So you will never see this kind of steel reinforcement design for 4-story commercial building. So if you are working on construction site, so be careful if someone is doing this kind of steel structure design. So don't go ahead with them, especially in steel structure. That's why, because this is the main bone of the commercial building or residential building. So they used here the spacing about 14 inches. If you see, the column size is here 12 by 12 inches. They used 6 numbers of steel rods. Dia is 16 millimeter, but the plinth beam design is wrong. Hooks are bent on 90 degree. Spacing is maximum. They use 2 numbers at the bottom, 2 in upper portion. They don't know what is lapping length. So this is the junction between beam and column. If you see, the lapping is here about 12 inches. They didn't provide any development length. Hooks are bent on 90 degree. It should be provided on 135 degree. So if you see, everything is wrong, and they placed the beam on the top of the plinth level, but they didn't provide it here, the concrete cover on the top of this plinth level. On the plinth level also, they didn't provide, or they didn't construct the DPC, dam proof course, on the top of this plinth beam. Everything is wrong. So this is very important to know about steel reinforcement design, especially for commercial building. If you are going more than 2-story, G plus 1 story, so you should hire the structural engineer to give you the proper steel structural design according to the structure load, according to the bearing capacity of soil, etc. Otherwise, you will face more problems, as you can see in this construction. They used the die of stirrup 6 millimeter. Look here guys. Hope this short video can help you, especially for 5 big mistakes in the construction of this plinth beam. And this is the reality. If you see the spacing here, so there the spacing is about 1 meter in one beam. So I don't know why they did this design. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.